In this video, we will show you how to add and connect to the Bliss Bridge. First, connect the bridge to a power source. Many new electrical outlets have a built-in USB port, or you can simply use a standard USB power source, such as a cell phone charger. Once plugged in, the bridge will start blinking. This indicates it's looking for a Wi-Fi connection. Next, download the Bliss app to your smartphone from either the iOS or Android App Store. Once downloaded, open the Bliss app and create a new account. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you will need it if you forget your password. To add a bridge to your account, first, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi that your bridge will be connected to. Tap the plus sign, select Add Shade/Bridge, then select USB Bridge. Select the correct Wi-Fi network, then enter your Wi-Fi password and press Connect. Press and hold the Settings button on the bridge for 2 seconds, until the light flashes purple. Then, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, choose the Wi-Fi that starts with USB Bridge from the list. After it says that it's connected, go back to the Bliss app and you'll see the pairing process. When it finishes pairing, the bridge light will turn solid blue. Click Next to name your bridge, then tap Done. You have now successfully connected your Bliss bridge.